plates are first identified, the left plate and the right plate. The left plate becomes the posterior blade, the right plate becomes the anterior blade. So an assistant is steadying the baby inside the uterus, and I'm going to apply the left blade going behind, and the blade is applied and kept like this. So this blade should not wobble, it should be kept steady. Because when I'm going to apply the right blade, again there is a tendency for the baby to move, even though it is fixed. And the right blade I apply just like how we bring, apply like that, rotate it, and then bring it so that it locks on the left blade. It should come over the left blade is the lower one, the right blade is the top one. So now having applied this, you have to give traction, slow traction. You see the baby, its head is held in the biparietal diameter, so it is applied very well. It should not go too deep also. If it goes too deep also, you may not be able to lock. So then give downward traction and then upward, and deliver the rest of the baby as we deliver other pieces. So this is the forceps application for Biparietal. Now we will demonstrate the Ventouse application. Same way the head is steady, and you have to apply the vacuum cup as posterior as possible. So mostly we can see the head here and the face will be there. And the vacuum is applied after lubricating to the posterior part. And the person who is delivering should always keep the baby head steady like that and apply the Ventouse cup. And another person gives traction, because if we try to give traction, it may not be coming effectively, because the person who is delivering should keep the cup steady on the scalp, on the teaching head, and steady like that. And when somebody is giving the traction, give traction, apply the baby. So the baby comes. So this is how the vacuum is applied for a mobile head. Next we will show how to manage a deeply engaged head. You can stop.